Hi, long time no see. I'm going to give you an overview of one of our newest features on Messenger Pigeon's desktop application. You now have the ability to upload a PDF document and study from it. So, the first thing you'll have to do is upload the document onto your Messenger Pigeon app. Click the white New button on the sidebar to your left, select the Upload option, and choose the document you want to upload. Unlike an audio file, the document shouldn't take too long to upload, and you can open your document session right after that. It will appear on your session dashboard. Select the 3 vertical dots and click Open. Once you enter the session, you can go through the pages of your file using the arrows on the top, or you can navigate to different pages using the overall document view. This feature is meant to help you pick out important information from the resources you're given in order to help you study more seamlessly. For example, if there is a particular segment of the document that you'd like to include in your notes, you can always highlight that text from the PDF document and paste it onto your personal notes panel. Get cracking with your revisions!